Stop! Your mask could be making you sick. If you're like most people, you store your mask in your pocket or your purse. This means your mask could be contaminated, and then you put it on your face or your child's face, which could actually be spreading COVID. But what if you could ensure that your mask would be safe to use, even killing COVID? Well, now you can with a spray that is safe and non-toxic as plain water and is 80 to 100 times stronger than bleach and kills 99.99% of germs, including COVID. In fact, all of these well-known cleaners and hand sanitizers are made with the exact same thing. It's called hypochlorous acid, and it is simply electrolyzed water with salt in it. And you can make the same thing at your home for pennies using this, the Eco1 system. Simply pour in tap water, add table salt, and press the button. In a few short minutes, you get hypochlorous acid. And because it's safe and non-toxic, you can spray it right on your mask and then put your mask on your face. Simply make the solution, put it in your favorite spray bottle. You can't use hand gel on your mask. So this protects you from COVID, where this will not. Plus, the Eco1 makes enough solution that you can clean your whole home with this. Put it in any spray bottle and spray any surface, anything that you want to ensure that you are safe from germs. 99.9%, including COVID. Spray it all over your hands, all over anything you want. Use it in the laundry, use it on your floors, use it all over surfaces that everyone will touch, and it keeps you safe from 99.9% germs, including COVID. And because hypochlorous acid is simply electrolyzed water with salt in it, it doesn't leave that sticky residue that you get with hand gels. You simply put it in their spray bottle, spray it on your hands or any other surface. Spray it on car doors, steering wheels. If you have to go on public transit, you can spray everything before you touch it. You can spray your hands after you touch it, and it just dries simply just the same as water. Spray it on there, rub your hands together, dries as clean as just plain water. Simple, clean, pure, and effective. Get yours today. Click the link below. Don't delay. Protect yourself and your family from 99.9% of germs, including COVID. Protect yourself and your family from 99.9% of the germs, including COVID. Save yourselves hundreds and thousands of dollars. Get yours today. Click the link below.